Toyota is Toyota. There is no doubt about it. It is well known for its dependability, practical design, unyielding innovation, and bold moves. They are staple on the road. Over the years, they have released cars loved by all classes. And for years to come, we know that we can expect more unpredictable moves from this car manufacturer. One unexpected move from Toyota is the release of the all-new Velos, which is now a separate model from Avanza. It is now a standalone line with two variants to choose from. Personally, I had my eyes fixed on this car. This is one of the closest competitors among the cars that we are choosing from. But while it seems to be almost perfect, there seems to be something lacking, and this is the reason why we did not choose it. Let us talk first about the perks of Toyota Veloz. Undeniably, it is a premium SUV crossover. With its seating capacity and a long sofa mode, it is perfect for families who love to go on an adventure. Veloz has also enough cargo space to accommodate the needs of a growing family. On the exterior, it features auto-fold rear mirrors, 17-inch alloy wheels, and a keyless smart entry. It is run by a push-start button and offers a center console with multi-information display. This is also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Aside from this, it has also a wireless smartphone charging and connectivity capability. Unlike the previous Avanza, Veloz V variant comes with Toyota Safety Sense, which offers lane departure warning, blind spot monitors, 360 degrees camera, and autonomous emergency braking system. This is on top of the 6 airbags available. With all of this, what else could be missing? To give you a little bit of my profile, I am purchasing for an extra car. Undeniably, one of the biggest advantages of Toyota Veloz is its seating capacity, considering its price. But in terms of dynamics, it's very clear that some compromises had to be done to accommodate Veloz's 7-seater capacity. For the second row, if you will be seating 3 average-size adults, legroom is just enough, but elbow room is really cramped. For the third row, legroom is okay for short rides. But beyond 3 hours of travel, we think that it will be a little bit uncomfortable. Aside from that, we currently already have a bigger 7-seater car with a third row that sits more spacious than the Veloz. For us, there's no point on bringing Veloz on family trips if we have a more comfortable car to choose from. Another drawback will be the engine. During our test drive, we felt that it was a little bit underpowered. The G variant retails at 1,185,000 pesos, while the top-of-the-line V variant is priced at 1,225,000 pesos. But I personally prefer pearl white, so I have to add 15,000 pesos on top of the SRP. Hence, the total cost for me will be 1,240,000, which I think is already a good deal considering the features that I will be getting. Don't get me wrong, Veloz is a good car, considering that it is manufactured by one of the most reliable car makers, which is Toyota. You are certain of the quality that you are getting for the price that you are paying. It just happened that it is not the car that I need at the moment. So even if I had to add additional 70,000 pesos to get the more expensive car than the Veloz, I didn't have second thoughts because it is the car that fits me better. Nevertheless, Toyota Veloz is close to my heart. I recommend this as first car for families with small kids who are looking for a car which will not break the bank, especially if the price and fuel efficiency on top of safety are the things that you are prioritizing. You can never go wrong with Toyota. But for people like me who are not really looking for a family car, or for those who already own bigger cars, and you are just looking for a car with a personality that reflects you as an individual, then I recommend looking for another options. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that this will help you on your decisions. Happy driving!